Maingay.
Ay, ako nag-greet eh.
Good morning, girls. Nako, 6 days to go bago sumapit ang Chinese New Year. At alam mo talagang masasabi natin na hindi natin makakaila talaga ng malaking impluensya mga inchik sa pamumuhay ng mga Pinoy. Kasama na dyan ang fireworks, martial arts, at pampaswerte. Kaya napakaswerte po natin ngayong umaga dahil binisita po natin ang isang authentic Chinese restaurant dito sa Pasay City. Ang tinatawag nilang The Legend Hong Kong Seafoods Restaurant para pag-usapan natin ang mga tinatawag nilang lucky and symbolic dishes na kinakain nila tuwing sumasapit ang Chinese New Year. Yan, kita niyan? So mula sa mga hugis ng table papunta sa mga kung paano nila ginagawa at ano yung symbolism ng each and every dish na kinakain nila tuwing New Year. Pag-usapan natin ngayon. Mon, punta ako dyan.
Alright, thank you so much, partner. Now from the kitchen, punta tayo dito sa dining area kung saan niya isuserve yung mga pagkain na yan. At para pag-usapan na rin kung ano nga ba yung mga pampaswerte pagkain for this coming Chinese New Year. And para pag-usapan ngayon, kasama natin ngayon si Miss Anna Xu. Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Unang Hirit and Kung Hei Fat Choy. Ang bilis.
From your kitchen, from your lovely kitchen, which I can smell all the aroma and the goodness of the dishes that you serve every Chinese New Year. I'm here. It's hard for me, but let's talk about first.
The table, partner,
table,
because ito na yung nakikita natin in front. Now, we notice na parang most of the tables, if not all the tables talaga, ay round shape.
A round shape.
Oh, yeah, in Chinese they prefer round talaga.
Okay.
Because round shape is perfect shape. It means family reunion and successful.
Okay.
And the antique mandi shape is round.
You know what?
Antique mandi in Chinese is copper.
Okay.
It's a round.
Each and every time there's Chinese New Year, like hopya, tikoy, the tables are always round. There's something about the circle.
It means perfect.
It means perfect.
Yes.
Perfect.
And there are no edges. Everyone's equal.
Oh yes,
Yes.
and then it's satisfaction.
And satisfaction.
And satisfaction.
And you were talking about this earlier, that it's also logical, like feng shui, di ba? It's not really
yes,
superstitious.
yes.
It's logical because you see each other when you're together with your family because the table is round. You see one another.
Nakikita-kita.
And
Very
the
close.
bonding
Very
is
close.
stronger.
Yes.
Correct.
Okay.
Now, speaking
Now,
of
we can go inside.
dining, punta na tayo sa pagkain. The highlight.
Si Arna.
Or lagi mo kami inuunahan when it comes to food. Oh, anyway, wow.
Hi bro! Hi Mon!
Nakala naman yata dyan. Buti lang wala kang hawak na chopstick. Buti lang hindi ka marunong gumamit ng chopstick.
Ayun na ako, takam na takam dito, kaya lang, hindi ko alam kung ano unang titikman ko dito.
Mamaya, titikman natin isa-isa. Sige,
now.
unahin na muna natin yan, Mon.
Alright. Lobster.
Lobster.
So, one of the, ito po yung sinasabi, pampaswerte, lucky food for the coming Chinese New Year. Is that right?
Yeah. This coming New Year is a Dragon Year.
Dragon Year.
Dragon Year in Chinese Mandarin is the similar sound like 龙虾, 龙年. Dragon Year is 龙年, 龙虾 is lobster.
So,
it's the
dragon is 龙年,
龙年, yeah.
龙年, and then lobster is
龙虾.
pronounced as 龙虾. So what is the
same word.
importance of how it sounds in Chinese?
龙,
Lom?
yes.
Okay.
And 虾 is ha ha ha. It means
It's happy.
always happy.
Yes.
Happy.
Okay.
So
Alright.
important, may connection din pala, may relation yung sounds.
Yung sound.
Oo, sa mga
the pronunciation
pagkain.
ng Chinese characters. So parang sinasabi yata, ma'am, no? Pag kumain sila ng lobster, dahil nga dragon symbolizes prosperity, luck, strength, power.
Honor.
Kapag kinakain yata ng mga Chinese, ang lobster, they will also feel that, hey, I am strong,
Yeah, because
I have power.
Because in Chinese,
Yes.
the lobster, the long, is emperor.
Emperor.
Or you see,
Emperor.
emperor got everything.
Everything.
Okay.
Okay. Sige, we can move on
To the next.
the noodles, right? You said
Yeah, noodles.
Yes.
Long life.
Long life.
Long life, of course. We all know that.
Marami nang nakakaalam nito. Tuwing birthday also, they can also
Yes.
eat
Speaking
that.
of, birthday mo, kumain ka ba pasikapon?
Kumain ako maraming
Pasit.
pasikapon.
Okay.
It's the same like Filipino spaghetti
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Okay.
Next.
and dumpling.
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 Yes, dumpling.
That's a
Why
different
also?
kind of dumpling, no?
Dumpling inside body salted, body
Salted.
sweet.
Okay.
But this kind is sweet.
Sweet.
Okay.
Of course, sa mga dumpling na
Usually-
nakakalam ng mga Pinoy, we have like yung mga shrimp dumpling,
Oo.
siomai, ganyan. But pretty much this is also considered to be as a dumpling.
Dumpling.
Because it's also
Like
circle.
something inside.
Something inside
Like when you bite,
when you bite.
you got surprise.
So
and you feel
there's the
sweet.
surprise element.
Oh yes, because some dumpling they are wrapped in gold.
And you don't know what's
and
inside.
Money.
And money.
Yeah, some they might.
Nako, okay, mga kapuso, ang dami pa natin pwedeng pag-usapan.
So it means-
continue pa rin. Pwede pa pala. Okay, good. May oras na.
What else?
May
What
oras.
else po, ma'am?
Interesting.
Fish.
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 This, and you always serve it as a whole fish, not like fish fillet. Diba?
No,
Fish fillet,
Whole
like
fish.
caught, hindi pwede.
Complete
Ganon.
part.
Oo.
Why?
Complete part.
Complete part.
Oh,
complete
complete
fish.
family.
Complete family.
Yeah, complete family. And fish in Mandarin character is yu.
Yi?
Yu means surprise.
Surprise. So,
Paano ito gusto ko malaman? Any kind of fish.
Any kind.
Okay.
Any
ayan.
kind.
So kahit dilis, yung maliit, basta
Any
whole.
Basta,
Whole siya.
basta
Pwede.
Naman siya, basta dilis. Bite size pa.
Bite
Diba?
size.
Pwede naman yan. It's the essence.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
You have also dried scallops.
Dry scallop, okay. You see? The mushroom,
Mushroom.
just like antique money.
Antique money.
Yes, you see?
Oh,
The
this is for
Chinese
prosperity.
ancient money is like this.
Sa unang hirit, ambisyong totoo ang naglalang hirit. Ang saya sa